Hey guys, it's your girl Felicity, and today I'll be making cotton candy butter slime. And the ingredients you'll need are glue, Daiso clay, and the measurement for the glue is 1/4 cup, and cotton candy scent, blue and pink food coloring, blue and pink foam beads, and shaving foam, and multi-purpose solution to activate the slime. Now let's get started. So guys, you're gonna need 1/4 cup of glue, so just pour that in. You just take the spatula and just scrape out all the extra glue so you won't be wasting any of your product. Scrape that out good. Next, you're gonna need your coloring, which you only need 1 dot of red food coloring to make it pink. Then mix in that. Yay, it's turning pink. Yay. Okay. So then you just need to add your shaving foam in. Adding that to your mixture. There you go. Now just need contact lens solution to activate your mixture. Of course, to make it slime. Looks like it's ready. Alright, so the thing you need is the cotton candy scent. You only need 1 or 2 drops because a little goes a long way. Then just mix in your scent into your slime. Smells so good. Now, just cap that up. Then, open up your Daiso clay. Ooh. So now, just need to open that up. And we're gonna split this Daiso clay piece, this square, into half because we're not going to use millions of packs of Daiso clay just for 2 slimes. That's way too much. So now just mix in your Daiso clay nice and easy into your slime. So guys, here's what the Daiso clay did to the slime. It looks like cloud slime, but it feels like a cloud, but it's not. It's butter slime. So let's get started with the next one. So we're gonna make a cotton candy swirl. So we need to make a pink one and a blue one. So we're just gonna need another 1/4 cup of glue. Good. Just scrape out your extra glue. You do not want to waste your slime ingredients. Okay, so now you're just going to mix in your blue food coloring. Just 1 drop. This coloring goes a long way. Mix that in. It's kind of like a sky blue. It's so pretty. It's a pretty bright blue. So now let's mix in our shaving foam. Now it's a Carolina blue because of the lightness of the shaving foam. Now add in your contact lens solution to make your mixture activated. It activates so fast. Just add in a little bit more and you'll be fine. So guys, I'm just gonna put the scent in now into our blue slime. Like I said with the pink slime, a little bit of scent goes a very long way. So don't put too much if you're gonna make this at home. Now just cap that up. Now let's add the best part. More diso clay. Just mush that, drop it in there, and mix it in. Just mix in the diso clay into your slime. Soft. It's such a cloud. Just take all that white clay out. Alright, so now, this is what we all been waiting for. The twirl. The cotton candy swirl between two butter cloudish slimes. Now we're gonna swirl them together. Nice! Now we're just gonna put some of this and then some of this. And that's all you have to do to make a blue, pink, butter slime, cotton candy swirl. Hope you do this at home. Well, it's so cool. Hope you liked this video. Drop a like and subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so you won't miss any of my new videos. So stay awesome and be happy. Bye!